Planetary Alignment Watch for 30th of November 2012. The Thebarcaroller shows a total of 7 planetary alignments on this chart, starting with Neptune, Mars and Saturn, followed by Saturn, Venus and Earth, then Pluto, Sun and Mercury, and Mars, Sun and Mercury. Not one of these 4 planetary alignments are actually correct. In addition, the Thebarcaroller shows alignments between Mercury, Moon and Jupiter, and Venus, Moon and Jupiter. Neither of these alignments are correct either. In fact, only one alignment between Jupiter, Earth and the Sun is almost correct. The Thebarcaroller has missed a true alignment between Earth, Mars and Pluto on this date. Remember that this chart is not to scale, so true alignments may appear bent. The Thebarcaroller says, and I quote, "This is extremely busy, and I feel that this is without doubt the most dangerous alignment for 2012, and again an 8.5 magnitude event is highly likely based on what I am looking at right here." So let's have a look at each one of these alignments and see if they really are aligned. We will start with Neptune, Mars and Saturn. Here is the same chart, drawn properly to scale. As you can see, this alignment is out by 45 degrees. Now we look at the Thebarcaroller's alignment for Saturn, Venus and Earth. Again, this alignment has failed by about 15 degrees. Next we look at Pluto, Sun and Mercury. This one is difficult to show because Pluto is so far out, but as you can see here I've aligned Mercury with the Sun. I'm going to tilt the view edgewise so that we can see Pluto. The red line is actually pointing to Pluto. It's out of view here, but you can see that with Mercury aligned with the Sun here, then obviously it is not in line with Pluto, which is way out. I'll zoom out on this view and you can see Pluto here now. Obviously it's a long way off. We've got Mercury, the Sun and Pluto way off to the side. The next alignment is between Mars, the Sun and Mercury. Again, this alignment has failed by several degrees. Please remember that the planet sizes are not to scale and are representative only. Next we look at Mercury, Moon and Jupiter. Again, this alignment is out by several degrees. Finally, here is the Thebarcaroller's alignment for Venus, Moon and Jupiter. This alignment is out by nearly 20 degrees. Only one alignment out of 7 is almost correct. This alignment between Jupiter, Earth and Sun. If we allow a tolerance of 2 degrees, this alignment is correct on the day before, on the 29th of November. Because the Thebarcaroller is not using the charts correctly, he has failed to show this true alignment between Earth, Mars and Pluto. The Thebarcaroller has described this date as the most dangerous alignment for 2012 and has predicted a dangerous 8.5 magnitude event to be highly likely based on what he is looking at right here. Yet only one of his alignments are even close, and that one ended the day before. There really are no significant planetary alignments for this date. Once again, the Thebarcaroller has failed in his use of sim solar charts. As you can see, the planets are not as large when their orbits are drawn to scale. Here is the Sun, Earth and Moon when drawn to correct scale. And here is the giant planet Jupiter drawn to correct scale. So I'm sure that you can see that it is not possible just to draw straight lines on a chart where the orbits and the planets are not drawn to scale. This concludes my series on why the Thebarcaroller's charts are wrong. Thank you for watching. Hello, today we are looking at the Thebarcaroller's Planetary Alignment Watch for 30th of November 2012. The Thebarcaroller shows a total of 7 planetary alignments on this chart, starting with Neptune, Mars and Saturn, followed by Saturn, Venus and Earth, then Pluto, Sun and Mercury, and Mars, Sun and Mercury. Not one of these 4 planetary alignments are actually correct. In addition, the Thebarcaroller shows alignments between